What's up everybody, Austin from Spartan Safe here, and today we are talking about insurance. I think most Americans have some sort of experience with insurance, whether it's for a car, home, or health related. Because the great part of insurance is the peace of mind knowing you're covered financially if anything happens to you or your property. That is, unless you've had the unfortunate experience of a claim being denied. The process of filing a claim and waiting on the results can be a necessary but very stressful process that many wish they could just avoid in the first place. Because obviously in any scenario, there are things that happen in and outside of our control. For example, you can't control a disaster like a home fire or break-in, but you can make sure irreplaceable items and valuables are always protected even in an uncontrollable situation. And here's how. The concept of owning a safe, whether it's for your home or business, is very much driven by the same need for peace of mind that an insurance policy provides. A safe can ensure your property is protected 24/7 and there's no chance of a claim being denied. Now, before purchasing a safe, you may want to know what your insurance does or doesn't cover for a fire or theft, because you might just find out that your coverage options are low or non-existent, and that level of coverage might affect the quality of safe you feel comfortable owning. For example, if you have little to no fire coverage and aren't planning to adjust your policy, you'll want a safe with a higher fire rating. Or if you have a super high theft deductible, you may want to prioritize better security features. Another important item to research is whether or not your insurance company offers any incentives for owning a safe. After purchasing a safe, you could end up with better home security and a more affordable insurance premium. Ultimately, buying a safe is one of the few proactive steps you can take to prevent fire and theft from damaging your firearms, valuables, and other replaceable items versus just hoping for replacements after tragedy strikes. Take my advice, don't rely solely on your next insurance claim. Protect what you can't replace now with Spartan Safe. My name's Austin. I hope this conversation has been helpful. Feel free to click like and subscribe and hang around for more safe related content.